Right, right.
Yeah. So I will start my this done trading. How to trade. Just to again say that this is I am not a SEBI registered. The intentions of my video sessions is purely to spread awareness on stock market candle strategies and should not be and should be considered only for educational purposes. Will not be responsible for any losses or profits booked by you. This one.
पाकिस्तान अभी तैयार नहीं है। आप देखिए अफगानिस्तान तालिबान के पास इस
Sorry,
वक्त
guys, if you do like that, we have to, whoever are, doing that, I might have to mute them or make out of the session.
पीछे रह गए तो बड़ी
Please
तनकीद
don't
हुई।
disturb others. Please don't disturb others.
हाथ उनके फिर भी नहीं थे तो कह रहे थे शबाज शरीफ साहब को पीछे फेंक दिया एंड में
Rajbir sir, please mute Rajbir sir.
आगे जाके चौधरी बन गए साथ उनके फिर भी नहीं थे तो कह रहे थे शबाज शरीफ साहब को पीछे फेंक दिया एंड में
Hello.
रुष्ट राष्ट्रपति
Yeah. I think I should find some way to mute everybody. I will find that option next time. Yeah. So let us come back to our topic. How we will be considering anything greater than long term is 6 months. Anything 15 days to 6 months is will considered as short term, and swing. The swing is 2 days to 15 days. Intra is on the same day. Shorting is also on the same day. So first, let us, since most of us are beginners only, I guess, beginners or intermediate guys, like how it is, may I know? If you are already experienced, we will go with that long term, or if you want to do, if you are in the beginning stage or intermediate stage, we will go to swing and try. How it is? Can you guys unmute yourself and tell me? Like, is it in
Yeah,
chat?
I'm a
You
I'm
can
a
tell.
beginner in this. I'm a beginner
Yeah,
in
beginner,
trading.
but beginner, but can we do short term and swing, madam?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that is better because long term, right? For to hold that long term, right, we need lot of conviction, and we should have been with
Ma'am,
this.
what I suggest is, ma'am, you have a good experience. So
Ah,
if you could give examples of all of them, so we maybe in the beginner stage, but we'll have an idea. So as we
right.
grow, so we can means follow the pattern that you will tell us. So you can
Correct.
start from one side as beginners and then give examples of others also. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So let us start with see, first thing I want to tell everything, everybody will have their own strategy, right? So for me, I will do based on the candles, like how they are formed. Actually, what I have done is I have watched these candles for few months, and I knew like this candle, if it is forming, this will behave that way, and next day or next sometime it will be like this. Means the next candle I can just find out that the nature of the candle will be less, or it may go up or it may go down, or some instinct will come. I cannot say that it is logical, and I cannot say that it will happen 100%, but most of the times, like probability is what I have seen is most of the time it is correct. So I will show you some strategies which I have taken. Okay, 1 minute in open list. Now let us take any Chennai Petro. Okay. See, there are few. First, whenever we are doing any short term or swing or something, we should go for daily chart. Okay. When daily chart, if you see, you will come to know where the trend is starting. Okay. If you see this Chennai Petro, see all these candles were like very little. Here, this is big. Means it showed that it may start a downtrend, but it continued. When such confusions come, right, what you need to do, you need to go to a little bit bigger time frame, like 16th October, right? You go to this 16th October. See, 21st and this is 16th, right? This, yeah. 21st October, 28th October. There is this 16th October. Yeah. Okay, let's come from this monthly chart only so that it will be clear. See, this is October. It started a downtrend. Then it went for, here, if you see this started a clear uptrend. March. Okay. Whenever such candle forms, like it is going, monthly chart especially, when it is going down and down, and suddenly there is one green candle that forms, that is bigger than the previous month's red candle, then there are chances that it will move up. Okay. That is the first indication. That's the first indication. Then we should, if you see this, see here till it forms, we can't know that that will be a bigger one or smaller one, correct? Next, when it comes to April, this is April 5th, April month, April, this one. Then you go to April. We'll come to know April. Yeah. See, this one is a very small move it will give. It is not giving us a clear signal that where it is going. But when you see this trend like weekly, here it forms a like a bullet. Okay, when generally when this forms, okay, it is not clear here, but like let me take some other example. But whenever this forms, right, the bullet, the more chances are that it will go up. See, here it has given a clear trend. See, bullet. After that, it has very small candles that are formed. And here, so this is the clear trend.
Ma'am, which is the bullet and why is it called the bullet? In short, if you could please tell us.
Yeah, bullet is something. See, here you can see. I don't know why, but I will call it a bullet. This is called upward bullet. Upward bullet, these three especially. Only this green, red and red. This one. Whenever such candle forms, right, it will be, there is chance that it will move up nicely. And especially if it is in a breakout area, it will move up nicely. If you go to 15 minutes chart, you can make out. See, because if you want to study candles, you should study 15 minutes chart because you can find it easily. See? Yes. 1 minute. Yeah. In a 15 minutes chart, I'm not seeing it. Maybe this is not the right chart I have selected. Maybe 1 minute I will just select because we should have a proper example, correct? Then only it will go up. Yeah. See, in a weekly chart, if you see, this is a bullet, green, red, green. If this comes like this, that means it will go up. Two greens and one red in between. That means it is shooting upwards. Okay. And
Madam, one question.
ah,
There should be no lower wick or wick is not a problem.
no, wick should
The
not be big.
strength.
Body should be big. Body should be big. Solid body
Okay.
most of the time. Even, downward wick little is fine because that means it is shooting up. Most
Okay.
of the time, that will be the best signal. Like you will find in 15 minutes candle mostly. Day before something has run very high. Can you tell me what is that stock? A day before it has run very high. 1 minute. With
In the
there
zinc,
you
no?
can find it.
In the
Yeah.
zinc, no, ma'am?
Huh?
In the zinc.
Zinc, ah? Yes,
Ah,
yes. Intense 1 minute. Yeah, I'll try to go to this. Okay, Hind zinc. If you see this daily, 15 minutes chart. Here it is not very clear bullet, but still we can go ahead with this 1 minute where I will see where I can find that proper bullet. Yeah. Sad group PNB housing. And I am not finding it. Anyway, see this one, we can consider it as a bullet. When we are in flow, see this one, we can consider it as a bullet, upward bullet. This one also we can consider it as bullet, green, red, blue. But proper bullet I am not finding. Anyway, we will find out like DSSL. No problem. When we find, we will find. That's all. We will go ahead. Okay. Whenever we see that monthly candle, any candle, okay, this, it is a proper downtrend, and we see that green candle is bigger than the red candle, then we can add it to our watch list. That means there are chances that it will go up. That is one clear signal. Okay, that is the first pattern. Next is whenever something is like this for a long, it didn't move. Okay, see, for a long it moved with very small candles, and suddenly one big candle will form. This candle. That means it will push nicely up. That is second strategy. Okay, this one. Then third is suddenly we will see this bullet pattern. Not here, like green, red, green, 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 red, red. Sorry, no confusion. Green, two greens, one red in between. Like how I showed you right here. I'm not finding that pattern now in these things. So that things will be the clear indication. Yeah, maybe this we can consider. Clear down pattern is there. This is the first thing. Then green is bigger than red, and we can add it to watch list. Once we see the clear up move, second signal, then we can keep it. That is first strategy. Second is this, once it is very calm and when one green signal it formed, then it will move up. Another thing is once it is very small and one red candle will form, then there is chances that it will move much down. If it green signal forms, there is chances that it will move up. That is the blind, this one means blind pattern. You got it? After this, it forms a solid green candle, right? So there are chances that it will move up. But imagine there is a solid red candle, then there are chances that it will move down. Is that clear? We'll check with Chennai Petro. Okay. Fine. I will explain it with Chennai Petro. Can you see it here? See, there was a down pattern that was going. This is red. That means there are chances that it will go down. Again, green formed here, but it is not guarantee. Then red, it is not cross as far as this don't cross this. Okay. It is not in the good trend. See, once this crossed, this resistance point crossed, see how it moved? And it should cross with proper green. And now if you see here, green, red and green, that was a bullet. And it has crossed the BO. That means it will move properly. Is this clear? This point?
Yes, madam.
So, in case if you are doing swing, what you need to do? Here it has crossed the BO, correct? So, you take a light quantity, means little quantity. If you are thinking of taking 30 shares, you take 1/3 of it, 10 here. Then next day, because it will come back to that pullback point, that time you invest more, means 10 plus 20, your quantity here. Then you see in next one candle or two candles, it will be good. That is the criteria you have to play. Or you have to wait till one small red candle is formed. Then you will be in nice, like very quickly you will get that benefit. Like you can see in this, imagine that you have purchased here and your thing is from, where is it? Yeah. So, 1 minute. Yeah. 102 rupees in 3 days. Not even 102. That may be more also. Like, see here you bought it, right? And an average. To get that. Yeah. Imagine you can't catch it at the right place. So 120 rupees. You sold it here, you think. Okay. Nobody can catch it at top or nobody can catch it at the bottom. So 122 rupees in 1, 2, 3, 4 days. You get it for every stock. And you think it is for 30 stocks you have purchased. Then 30 into 122. And this is called a swing. 3,660 rupees. You will get it in 4 days. Like these stocks, you have to catch it in swing. Get that?
Ma'am, can I request in this scenario, you said the bullet is the pointer that this will go up after the initial scanning. My request is, can we decide some kind of stop loss and some target based on the candles which have formed earlier?
Yes,
Anything that you
this
can
will be
help
the
us with
stop
that?
loss. See, generally, I will not play with stop loss because I know that candle movement, but you can keep this as stop loss 776, which is like, this one, the low of this candle, because it will never come to that point. Or you can, since this is the breakout area, you can consider 800 or something like that as stop loss. Got it? 800 or 799. Little bit lower than this, that breakout area. Generally, right, whenever
So,
that, even if it has to come down, it will struggle a lot here for so many days or some period. If it is a daily chart, it will struggle for days. If it is a 1 hour chart, it will struggle for hours, something like that. We will see a lot of examples going forward. Okay.
madam, are you also looking at the volume at the same time?
Yeah, you can see, but most of the time, if you see this, something might have happened during this period. Okay, there may be some trigger. So that is why it has, see, that earning was there. the earning. The next day it moved. Got it? There will be some trigger. It has performed very nicely last time when it declared the quarters. And even if you see this, this is which date is this? Which date is this? 27th October, right? If you go to that stock edge, okay, then Chennai Petro, where is this? Chennai Petro, that it? Updates, feeds, 27th October, right? You can scroll down and see. 20, yeah, you sort it out by date. Then near 27th October or something might have happened. Yeah, here. 27th, CPL swings. Okay, can you see this news? 27, Chennai Petro Corporation will consolidate net profit to 719 crore in September. Have you seen this news? Small cap stocks jump 7.4 after operating profits grows 1055%. Means it is very good. Correct? See, that is where the candles play. Even if you don't know the news also, you can play that. Got it? See, surprise 20.20, this 69.7 growth. Surprise is this much. So there was a clue and it jumped. That was 28th. You got it? Have you seen this? 27th, this news, and 28th, it pumped. But the moment you see this, you need to enter and add it. Like don't, put full amount here. That's where I will take, put small quantity. If you want to take 30, take 10. And next day, when it comes to that pullback area, you can do it more. Is that clear?
So, ma'am, this may also be taken as a PEAD kind of a candidate.
PEAD? That and all, actually, I don't know. Means, yeah, this is actually a PEAD, but I will not be more into that. So I don't want to comment that
Okay,
area.
ma'am, let's go ahead with this only. Let's
Yeah.
go ahead, ma'am.
Because see, for me, candles tell me a lot. See, even if you see this, okay, it started moving up. This is just a first jerk, pull back. Next, if you see, even this candle, it didn't cross half of it. Got it? That means there are chances that it will move up. So what I will do, you can book half of it, you can book profit here. Okay. And half of it still you can carry with this stop loss. This as stop loss. Got it?
So, ma'am, you want to say that like we now we are shortlisting stocks. Hindustan Zinc is one of the stock. Similarly, on that date, Chennai Petro had come up. Like this entire sector was moving, and Chennai Petro was one of the top kind of movers, based on which you selected this stock. Am I correct in saying that, ma'am?
What I'm saying?
Ma'am, what I am saying is, today we did a scanning in which we saw Hindustan Zinc is one of the higher kind of stocks
Correct.
which is likely to break out tomorrow.
Correct.
Now, when you had taken this trade on Chennai Petroleum, you mean to say that day it had given a breakout,
Yeah.
and the sector was also moving, something
Yes.
like what we did with the metal sector today.
Correct. But
Okay,
metal
that
sector,
means,
we have not concluded
ma'am,
that
that means,
we enter. 1 minute. We have not concluded that we will enter. Just to finish, let us finish the concept. Now you have understood this concept, right? Like why I have taken the trade here. Okay. I will come
okay,
to that
understood, ma'am.
topic.
And
Yeah.
understood, ma'am. And target how, ma'am?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because see, if you, I will decide based on the candles only. Okay. If you see this, the line which I have drawn and the line here, it is saying something, right? Half of it. Why I kept that? See, even without knowing, I have drawn that line. See, it is stuck here. Many of the days it was stuck here. Got it? That's how candles will tell you. That is the BO area. It has come, and it has gone up. So weekly. Daily, see, it is the place where it was stuck. And see, now even it is struggling, this area only. Okay. Like that, we can draw that blind support and resistance areas without even knowing it will hit that. Okay. See, the moment I told I will enter here, there is also a struggle path here that has come. So I know that
So,
it will struggle here and it will come back
so
to
ma'am,
that.
ma'am, which is the day you take the trade?
This one, 28th October. At the
But
end of the day.
28th, so the candle is not closed.
Correct. At the
You will
end
take
of the
it
day.
intraday, is it?
At the end of the day.
Okay,
See,
but then you've not seen a bullet, ma'am.
no, sir. It is bullet. What I am showing you is it has formed a bullet. Okay. What I
Okay,
am
this
saying is at
this
the
is first
end of
bullet.
the
Okay,
day, I have to
understood.
take if it is for a swing, I have to take that and at the end of the day.
Nee, understood, ma'am. Actually, I thought you were mentioning the other bullet. It has formed two bullets here.
Yes.
So
This
one here and the next one also.
this one.
Yeah, so but that date we didn't see it because that candle wouldn't have formed.
Correct. But that one, that day it has crossed that BO, right? See the small BO.
Okay, ma'am.
See, but trade cannot be done only on one factor. That is what we need to understand. You mix two, three factors, like it is forming in the breakout area, it is in the there is a news trigger, there is a volume formed, or there is something like bullish pattern, or this RS is changing, guppy crossover, many things will be there, right? See, if you see this guppy crossover, something like that will be there. See, if you see this, where is that Chennai Petro? Right, let me see this Chennai Petro and daily. See, this is the buy signal, it has come. It has crossed the guppy crossover. If you see me, this has, for me, this has crossed the guppy crossover here, correct? And my line was here. Get it? Now you see, many factors will fall in place. This day news came. This day people started entering. Even I knew the news, so I may enter also because it is a clear guppy crossover. At the end of the day also I can enter, and next day I can wait for pullback. Okay? Hello?
Ma'am, the news came on the first large green candle.
No, news came here 27th October, sir.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
That is what I told you, right? 27th October. You can see it here. 27th October. Okay?
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Maybe it has come after market hours. That is why
Yeah.
it was pulling. We don't know. But next day people were very clear and they entered. Because 1055% is not one small amount, sir, percentage. So people entered. Okay?
Correct, ma'am.
So now let's move. Next, one is breakover and next is bullet also is there and pullback is also there. So
Ma'am, one question if you could answer. Ma'am, this Lakshmi Mata, this buy indicator comes after the market close or does it come during the market hours?
during the market hours, but
It,
if it stays after the market hours also, that see, sometimes it will come and it will go also, because if the candle falls, right, that buy candle will disappear. That also I have observed.
okay, and like this candle is their strong candle, so maybe
Correct.
by around 150 or 2, this will already give a signal.
Correct. So
Thank you, ma'am.
correct. And if you see, this is one pattern. How I will do swing. That is what I am telling you. That's not everybody's strategy. Okay. I have seen all that and I have entered here. half quantity and 1/3 quantity, and here I have entered full quantity. I have just traded till here and I have got get out. Okay,
Uh,
because
Madam, one sec. So can you repeat? So just after the breakout, you've taken 1/3 quantity, right? That next to that doji candle, green, you've
yes,
taken, right? 1/3
yeah,
entry position. Then you waited for the pullback. You didn't do anything in the second candle. Third candle, you took the second tranche, right?
no, I took first tranche here, this green candle.
Okay. Second one,
Next
where did you
second
take?
tranche I took here. Pullback it come, right?
Oh, after a pullback itself, you took. Okay.
Yes,
And you take it at the end of the day, or do you take it during the day?
end of the day,
End of the day means when? What time?
3:15 to 3:30.
Okay, fine.
Generally,
Fair enough.
last 5-10 minutes will be the better because candle
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah. Because
decided by that time.
correct. Intraday people are out, and yes, it
Yeah,
stabilizes. Agreed.
correct.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
So then after that, that's it. Only two tranches you took.
yeah, I will not add. And
Okay,
also,
fine.
and also, I will
Hmm.
ride only two candles, or in the worst case, I will exit here. Once I see the red and I am out because I am not very fan of this move. Because if you see this is very small candles and everywhere hitchkey is
Correct,
there.
correct.
Hitchkey.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't like hitchkeys.
Fair
Okay.
enough. Okay. So
Yeah.
what you're saying is you'll enter the two tranches, then after the two green, when the next red comes, start showing itself, you'll exit.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, my question is, ma'am, now that we see the candles, we can talk in hindsight. But
Huh.
my question is that in case we saw those two large green candles and then we saw this one red, and
Huh.
because we've not seen what has come after that at that
Huh.
point of time.
Correct.
So, can we see what kind of profit we have made, ma'am? Could you
Okay.
please put the scale?
Yeah. See, imagine that I have entered here, exited here at the end of the day.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can we do it the other way because the calculation is wrong from top to bottom?
1 minute. Yeah, no problem. We'll do it. See here to here, not wrong. I made nice money in this. Okay. See, from here you think till here.
हाँ.
It's a 8% for 3 days. It's
Gone
damn
wrong.
good money. Yeah.
I will
Hmm.
remove this. Uh, 1 minute. Till here. 115 rupees.
Yes.
Okay.
13% basically. 13,
Yes.
14%.
Yes.
Which is very good for 2, 3 days. Yeah.
Yes. And that's why I will not wait. Actually, right? I have ended here because I will not wait when two green candles formed. That will not, that will little bit at least it will pull back. So I will exit
Hmm.
here.
So on the third, on the that big candle green only, that day only you'll exit, or you'll wait for
Yes,
the
that
red
day
and then
only I will.
exit?
Two red green candles, proper green candles means I will not wait, sir. That is my strategy.
Okay.
In the worst
Oh, yeah,
case,
fair.
there at desk or
Hmm.
something, I will exit here somewhere.
Okay. Okay.
But ma'am, if we talk about price volume action and solid candles, now, when I'm just saying, we have seen that the probability of this going up is very high.
Yes.
So that's why I'm asking. Here we know the stock didn't do very well,
Huh.
but in such a, if we go back to the volume candle chart, the
Huh.
volume was also very strong and the candles that were made was also very strong.
Huh. But my
Both the green
mindset,
candles.
correct, got it. But my mindset is, sir, I will not go with the crowd. First thing. Second thing is, I am not interested in these hitchkeys. See, my profit might have gone like anything, but how much mind I don't want to get disturbed here. This is my clear path, happy path. I'm okay with that. You got
Okay,
it?
understood that. No, because it could have happened that after these two large green candles, it may have
Correct.
got one, two more large green, then sideways,
Correct,
something
correct.
like that.
Anything can happen,
So,
sir, but I am not
understood.
mentally ready for that.
No, no,
That,
ma'am, we will acknowledge your knowledge because you have
uh,
been doing this. So we'll
uh,
respect that. We'll
yeah, no,
respect that.
I'm not saying, I'm just telling, I'm not comfortable doing that. That's what I'm saying. It can go up very high, like ISMO, correct? like another things, many things it went like what is that, Cupid. You see, they went up and up and up, but maybe my mindset doesn't suit that, sir.
Probably madam is playing by volume, no turns.
Yes, yes.
Like when you
No,
wait for one stock to go up, there is also by turns, right? Turns means if you trade in some just five stocks and waiting for going up versus 10 stocks and then getting that in a smaller profit in a shorter time. So
yeah,
same capital you rotate out multiple times. Yeah.
correct. I have less budget and I will rotate.
Yeah.
I will not have much profit budget allotted to this market. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
But
So,
this requires daily trading then.
huh?
This requires a daily trading then.
Correct, correct. That's what I told you, right? It is like my it is for swing. It is not for long term. That's what we are
No,
discussing.
no, no, not long term, short term also. Okay, fine. So
Correct,
this is the swing 2 to 15 days. Fair enough. Okay.
correct. I
Is
will
there
do.
any other strategy for swing 2 to 15 days? Any other strategy that you follow, madam?
Correct, correct. Wait, I will come for one shorting also. Okay, okay. Now this is
Okay.
clear, right? This point, what I am trying to tell you, these guys. Even if you say take another stock, I will tell you one
Can
more
we
thing.
take Hindustan, madam? Can we take Hindustan Zinc for a minute? Since
Oh,
it's a
one
live
minute.
example
Let
for.
me finish this. Let me finish this.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
The moment I see this pull back,
Hmm,
and I know that
hmm,
next day it will be moving up. So
hmm,
I will do some 50. What is this? 30th October, right? You see down 30th
hmm,
October.
hmm, hmm,
So I will go to 15 minutes chart, and this will be a good one for that intraday trading that day. Okay. If you see this, I will play this candle by candle. That one also we can do. See, this one, it has crossed. See, it was like this, and suddenly it made a move. 9:15. Can you see this?
Yes, madam. Yeah.
Then it is like it will move up. See, after that, it never came down.
Hmm,
Went up. Okay. See, when I am here, I will keep on changing my stop loss.
hmm.
Okay, I will keep it here
TSL.
as long as it is. See this part, if you see that
Hmm,
one,
hmm,
correctly it matched. That point it took and it went. So I know
hmm,
that this will come till here definitely from here.
hmm,
That is also 825 to 849, which is also 25-30 rupees. This one candle, just one candle.
hmm.
Okay. After that, I will keep somewhere stop loss here and I will leave it like 840 or something like that. And I will leave it. And then if you see it in this candle, you will come to know like 1 hour candle. I should forget. Huh. Like last, see this bullet also, see it showed me that next day also it will go up. See if you see this is 31st October. This is 30th and 31st October. See, it never stopped, but the path was not so clear, like how this path is. Got it? One red, and if I am out, see, this is happy path for me.
Hmm.
Got it? So,
Got
like
it.
that, we can play intra as well in this. And if you come here, if you see this, 315,